So in this video, I'm going to show you how to store a number as a variable. And this can be really helpful if you need to use the same number over and over and you want to be really accurate. So let's say we did some calculation. I'm going to switch over to degree mode. Let's say we were doing something with trig. So I want to be in degree mode, and I calculate something like the sine of, I don't know, 50 degrees. And I get this irrational number that I want to save and use again in some other calculation. So I would click on this STO with the arrow button, and now that's asking me to store my answer as a variable. And so the easiest one to do is x. So now every time I click on x, again, it will be that whole number. So then I could do something like x squared, and it would calculate my answer times itself. Or maybe I need to do x times the cosine of something, and I really want this number to be as accurate as possible, and so it's just storing that previous answer. And then maybe you did some other calculation like 20, and then you're dividing by pi. And so pi is another irrational number, so you're going to get decimals that go on. But let's say we wanted to store that number. I could say store, and I've already used up my x, and I want to save that. And so I could store this as any other letter. So I click alpha, A, and I store this number as A. And then I could say A, what if I had to do A times X? For some reason in my problem, I had to do two numbers that I had already previously written down, and I want to be really accurate. Then storing your answers as variables is one way to do that.